Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 13,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.